Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today I'm creating a card with our newest release, Birthday Go Round. This is a Wreath Builder stamp set. However, we are going to be doing a little bit of a different tutorial with this and just give you more for your money. We're going to be using a piece of watercolor cardstock. I'm using Catherine Pooler Midnight Archival Dye ink, so you want anything that is watercolorable, not water soluble, so you can watercolor on it. And then I am using the Koi watercolors. This comes in a nice little palette, Koi Watercolors Pocket Field Sketchbook. And I love that all my colors are ready to go. And we're gonna be doing a messy watercolor technique. All right, friends, we are going to begin with the Midnight, and we're going to be doing the sentiment first. And the reason why is I really want to place the sentiment in the right spot, and then I can follow along on the edging with my candles. So I'm going to place this, and then it is watercolor paper, so you want to do a little bit of rocking back and forth, press down so you get a clear image. If you want to use your Misty or your stamp positioner, you are more than welcome. All right, we're gonna move it on to the next side, and I have my candles. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on the edge with the candles. So we're gonna ink that up, and we're gonna go all the way down with the candles. And you can get them to touch the edge, or just have them, have a little bit of space, and you can put them as close or as far together as you like. I do want to mention that because you're going to be doing some messy watercoloring and you change the color on this, if you get them too close, you might have to wait to color each candle before you move on to the next one. We're going to give that some drying time and come back with our watercolor. All right, guys, so we've allowed a little bit of drying time, and we're going to begin. And honestly, there's no rhyme or reason how I'm doing this. I just wanted to grab some of this color, and we are doing messy watercolor, so we're just going to grab a lot of water, and you can feel free to alternate before you change colors. I am not going to color the flame. I'm going to wait that to get that with the yellow. We're going to move on to our next color, and I felt like this could be a very masculine happy birthday card. I always struggle with men's birthday cards because I love florals. If you watch any of my videos, I go towards florals for Unity. So there's so many gorgeous images. So this is a great birthday card. We're going to move on to the blue. And this is where I was talking about to not touch that red if you're going to be changing colors. If not, you're going to have a bit of color blending, which is okay if that's what you're going for. We're going to continue on. This is a great way to not have to do a ton of coloring, just mass produce some birthday cards. Okay, and we are going to grab some purple, right? I know I just said man card, but it's the rainbow. Oh, it's not too girly. So we're going to finish that up. And then we're going to come back. And I'll tell you what, I really like this, so I'm going to splatter some of this purple. I'm going to clean it off my brush. And I get that green, add another wash of green, splatter the green, clean my brush off, grab more blue, splash blue. And so we're going to do this with all the colors. You could have gone ahead and done it while you were coloring your first set, but because this is watercolor and I want to have that two-tone wash where it looks like you added the first color and then the second, I just waited. Okay. And that does it for this card. Now we're going to clean this off. And we're going to grab the yellow. I'm going to go with this mustard yellowy hue that we've got. And then we're just going to press down and lift. Press down and lift. Press down and lift. All right. And you can come back and add a second wash if you like. I'm not going to. And I'm gonna add some of that yellow. All right, friends, that does it. Once it dries up, you can place this on your card base and it is ready to be mailed. Thank you so much for joining me today on this quick tutorial to make a masculine birthday card using the brand new released stamp set called Birthday Go Round by Gina K, exclusively for Unity. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.